Hello everyone, my name is Cynthia Andoniadou. I'm the Congress Committee Chair for the European Society for Endocrinology, and I'm sitting here with Peter Kühnen, and Peter and I have been working together to bring you a joint 2025 Congress in Copenhagen. Peter, why is there a need for us to have a joint Congress together?
I mean, now it's time that people could exchange, independent if you're working in the adult field or pediatric field, and that there's room for interaction, that you can discuss science, way of treatments, and that there could be a lot of interaction and room for cooperation.
So what we're hoping is that this is going to get everyone very excited, and we're hoping for, doubling the numbers basically of each of the congresses combined together. So what we'd like you all to do is keep an eye out for the material that's going to be online. We're going to have the promotional video that's online. We're going to have a new hashtag, and you need to be looking out for endocrinology across the life course, which is the motto of the Congress. So 2025. Joint ESPE, ESE, endocrinology across the life course.